What's up YouTube? Today it's time to show you a rust spot that I found on my Lancer Ralliar 2010. I think this might be more common than some people think, especially in countries where it's cold and rains a lot. But I noticed right here on the trunk where the emblem sits. I think this is only applicable to Sportback models. But where the emblem sits, there are two holes which fixates the emblem, and it seems like they are prone to rust. You can see this is what it looks like, grinding away the rust to fix it. So what happened was I noticed the emblem was cracked and I wanted to replace it, and then I saw that the rust has been coming. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using my Dremel tool and some rust prohibiting paint to fix it, and then obviously it doesn't have to be color matched because the emblem sits on top of it. And then I'm also painting the emblem over here. Looks like that, very black, plaster dip obviously. So I'll show the finished result soon. When you fix the rust, you shouldn't forget to also get it from the inside of the car. So you have to remove all of the interior trim on the trunk. So the way you do that is you start with this piece right here. You have to snap it out. It will feel like you're breaking it, but if you're being careful and firm at the same time, that won't happen. And then you remove the two side pieces over here, and then there is clips holding on the big piece over here on the sides here that you have to take off first, and then you can just put on it. And this is the reason why you need to fix it from the inside, because look at this. If you only fix it on the outside, this will continue to spread, and all of the work that you've done will result in having no effect at all. So right now I will grind this away and put some paint on that as well. Also, when you grind this off, you can see I grinded off quite a bit of paint here. You want to grind off a tiny bit more than that the rust has affected, just to make sure that it doesn't spread and that there's some residual rust left that you can't see. So I ground this off, and this is what it looks like after I've painted it. So I'll put on some more layers of the rust inhibiting paint, and then I'll show you the finished result. As you paint this on, you want to make sure that you overlap the paint with what's underneath it, so that you don't get any gaps in the paint. But as you can see, I've done exactly that. So I painted over the metal and a bit over the coating there as well. And I've tried doing this on the outside as well. So that's a tip in order to get the repair done better.
I want to dry faster.
So there we go. Now the emblem has dried, and I put it on the car. I think the result turned out pretty good. I mean, I think the plaster dip has some trouble on sticking to the edges. So you can see they're a bit more silver than the middle of the star. But I think that's actually kind of cool. Like it creates a cool effect. So what I think about it. And also what I've done as an extra measure to prevent moisture from coming in is, I don't know if you can see this, but I put some, let me just get the focus right. I put some hot glue on the back of it as I put the emblem in. I put hot glue in the holes where the alignment aids go, so that moisture can't get in and recreate the problem. Now I don't think that would be an issue, but I just do this as an extra measure. So overall I'm pretty pleased with the result, and if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.